Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you'll be good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut a layered haircut. A layered haircut is a popular haircutting technique where the hair is cut at different lengths to create layers. Before you start cutting, section off the hair on the top of the head using clips or hair ties. This will allow you to focus on the undercut without getting in the way. Comb hair down into a natural fall and operate the square line. Divide the diagonal forward section. Comb hair down into a natural fall and operate while matching the previous guide. Divide the horizontal section to maintain length and line at the side corner. Comb hair down into a natural fall and operate while matching the guide. Layering can add volume, texture, and movement to the hair, making it a popular choice for people with thin or fine hair. It can also remove bulk and weight from thick hair, making it more manageable and easier to style. Layered haircuts can be done on any hair length, from short to long, and can be combined with other hair cutting techniques, such as bangs or asymmetrical cuts, to create a unique and personalized look. Layered haircuts are versatile and can be tailored to suit different face shapes, hair types, and personal preferences. As a rule, layered haircuts look more interesting than one-length cuts, because layers offer more attractive shattered shapes that are sharper and much more versatile. A layered haircut suggests at least 2 layers and shorter tresses along the face. However, you can have loads of layers as well. A layered haircut is an excellent choice because it flatters all women and has a wide spectrum of its execution. Girls with luxurious thick mane are gaining the feel of ease and lightness with layered haircuts. Now divide the center section. Then operate using the increase line by 90 degrees. Divide the horizontal section. Move the body position to the opposite of the section and make an over direction till the center and operate while matching the guide. After checking the center line, operate by performing over direction. Divide the horizontal section. Move the body position to the opposite of the section and operate by creating an over direction till the center. Divide the diagonal back section. Set a forward line combing forward, parallel to the section. Using the same section, operate by combing hair matching the initial guideline. Continue till the radial by using the diagonal back section. Create forward over direction in every section to operate, while matching the guide. Due to less amount of hair, divide the horizontal section and set a forward line by combing towards the front. Operate in the same way. Operate by creating an over direction to the radial, using the first guide. Divide the center section. Set the layer by 90 degrees in order to soften the line. Continue while matching the guide by using vertical section. Finally, check the cut for balance and make any necessary adjustments. Now we have finished the cut, long surface layer. Give it a try. If you want to know about more haircut, then let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.